Hey, boat doctor here. Down here at the beautiful bay, 2023 Kodiak Seasport. Boy, look at that bow rise. 3 wipers, got windshield wipers, or washers, I mean, on it as well. Must be going warmer climate, no heater. Got a beautiful Caravan aluminum custom trailer on it. Wow. Them are some nice 4x8 planks. Spare tire, electric brakes, 2 5/16 chain, foot jack, anchor pulpit. Nice big large cabin, deep, triple axle, black inserts, aluminum outsert polished, discs on all axles, trim tabs, self-bailing, drain ports, rocket launchers, rear deck light. Set of twins, this is what it should have, 200s. They kick in at 2200 on the horsepower, variable camshaft timing. They got stainless steel prop shaft, drive shaft, that's the left hand cup, 14x15 stainless, that's a right hand turn, same pitch, turning points, 2 coats of clear, 2 coats of primer, mid-engine exhaust, P-tubes for the water, zinc, nice rigging. Got hydraulic steer, C-Star with the heavy-duty tie bar, rear deck steering, DEC controls, and he's going to go do the 6 C5 or 7, I think. So he's rigging his own boat with electronics, radar arch, larder. That's a must-have. Then we can come up here. Gas fill, put in 75 gallons. Right here, you got your deck light, wash down, fish box on this side, engine controls, selector switch. Probably got trim assist on it as well. I can use that, but I can't set it up. I have no gauges. Short power plug, storage, lots of room, foot toe hold under here. So if you ain't gonna go over backwards a step, courtesy lights. They come on. Fish box. Kicker bracket. Wash down, that's a good gun too. A lot of pressure. Turn on the water there. There's your fuse panels. Everything looks good there. It's got a 180 gallon fuel tank. Pump this up. Turn that. With this. There's your fuel tank, that's huge. Big 27 group batteries, 10 microns. I'm going to leave that open. You can step down there. There's your Seacog valve to shut off and on for your wash down pump. Heavy duty sea glazed door. Nice countertop. Lights. You do a good job really making this look plush. 10-to-1, that's stainless. And this has got a shower, believe it or not, with a hot water tank. There it is right there. That works. I tried it. Discharge, macerator, refrigerator. This makes into a bed. Nice seating. Windshield motor covers. Light again. So he's going to put his own electronics and his own Yamaha gauge. See, wipers working. He even got washers. See that? Isn't that nice? Turn them off. And then you got your sink. That works. Storage. And up underneath here, that's your hot water tank for your hot water. Don't ever run that without water in it. Make sure you turn on your water and you got good water coming out before you plug it into stored power. DEC controls, starts, 12-volt power points, rate stereo down here, nav light, deck lights, you got bilge pump, you got fans, and then you got your horn, seasport hydraulic. Nice boat. 2023 Seasport. Nice boat. All right, this is a boat doctor. I'm getting ready to put her in the water, and I'll show you the on-water run. Then over here, you got your wastewater pump out. You got your fuel fill, and then you got main water. Boat doctor out. Hey.